It is after hours, and I'm going to run a simulated trade just to show how to do trading on the chart so that you can place orders by clicking on the chart. So I'm going to create this trade plan, and hopefully it'll stay alive. No, there you go. All right, so I'm going to get rid of all these orders, hopefully before they get hit. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going to place an order by clicking on the chart. So 10% of my position I want to close at 620. So there it is. There's 4 at 620. And I'll close another 4 at 615. So there's that order. Now, if I want to replace one of these orders, then I can Control-click. So let's say I don't want to do that one at 615. I want to make it 610. I Control-click, and now that 615, the closest order, was moved to 610. And that gets hit. There's 620 gets hit. So now we can add a new one at 640. And we can decide, no, I want to move that to 635. So I Control-click, and there it is at 635. So you can see it's very easy to click on the chart and place trades. All right, that's it. Thanks.